Chapter 1, Critical Thinking and Legal Reasoning. So in this chapter, it talks about the importance of critical thinking, the model, the steps, and using critical thinking to make legal reasoning come alive. So in critical thinking, it's the ability to understand the structure of an argument and apply a set of evaluative criteria to assess the merit. It guides legal analysis and business leadership, helps in legal reasoning. So the 8 steps of legal reasoning are: what are the facts? What is the issue? What are the reasons and conclusions? What is the relevant rules of law? Does the legal argument contain significant ambiguities? What ethical norms are fundamental to the court's reasonings? And how appropriate are the legal analogies? And is there relevant missing information? So critical thinking steps starts with facts, building blocks in a legal decision, which provides context for the resolving legal issues, evidence on the issues that have occurred, and actions taken or not taken. Issues form a reaction, questions that cause lawyers and clients to enter the legal system. So in Chapter 2, Introduction to Law and the Legal Environment of Business, talks about legal environment of business, sources of law, and classifications of law. The legal reasoning, critical thinking skills, ethnic norms, and schools of ethnic thought that interact with the law. So the top 10 reasons for studying the legal environment of business is becoming aware of the rules of doing business, familiarizing yourself with legal limits on the business freedom, forming an alertness to potential misconduct of competitors, appreciating the limits of interpretership, being able to communicate with your lawyer, making you a more fully informed citizen, developing employment-related skills, exploring the fascinating complexity of business decisions, providing a heightened awareness of business ethics, and opening your eyes to excitement of law and business. The statutory law made by the legislative branch of government, and then the case law results in judicial interpreter, and then criminal law composed of federal and state statutes providing wrongful conduct ranging from murder to fraud. So how this relates to critical thinking is I worked in the business office at Defiance College, and taking my behavior and speech from outside of work and bringing a whole different speech to work and changing so it doesn't it's attractive to my clients, because you can't talk like how you just talk outside. And then I had to remove emotion because they might not like the way I talk. And then I had to weigh out the pros and cons of my actions and decide how to present myself in the workplace outside of just being a college student.